सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव के बारे में। और स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स गिव निफ्टी इंडिकेट्स ए फार्म ओपनिंग एशियन मार्केट स्लिप। सेंसेक्स टुडे स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट एशिया Pacific market trade subdued as Japan's long-term government bond yield hit new height, with the investor also waiting renewed U.S. tariff threat tied to Greenland. Hello readers, key stars you day is the Buffett's famous quotes and rule has one, don't lose money rule has two, don't forget rule one, Warren Buffett. Good morning and welcome to the live coverage of all the action from this day. Turn to this blog for all live updates from the market in India around the world. Closing will Nifty below 25,600. Sensex slip 324 PTS. FMCG outperforms. Biggest Nifty loser were Wipro, Eternal, Reliance Industries, Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles, Max Healthcare, and while gainer including Interglobe Aviation, Tech Mahindra, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Hull, Maruti Suzuki, Xpac, FMCG will other sectoral indices in the red with the media. Oil and gas Realty down 1:5%. The BSC midcap index shift of 0.4% and small cap index decline 1.2%. Sensex today Nifty below 25,600. Sensex slip 324 points. Indian equity indices ended on negative notes with Nifty below 25,600 on January 19. At close, the Sensex was down 324.17 points or 0.39% at 83,246.18, and the Nifty was down 108.85 points or 0.42% at 25,585.50. We wrap up today's edition of the Moneycontrol Live Market Block, and we'll be back tomorrow morning with at the latest update and latest. Ajit Mishra, SVP Research, Reliance Broking.